What's up, boys and girls, toys and squirrels? Thinking RV Base back in this thing. Quick little tip and trick on a way you can break in your subwoofer if it's new, or even stretch it out, lower the FS a little bit, get that boy moving. If it's still stiff and all that good stuff, you can do it in your car, hook up your amp, all that kind of good stuff. I've got two phones. It's an old Note 5. Of course, it's a Droid in the Play Store. I think on Google you can find a tone generator. There's a million of them. This one's actually hertz by hertz increments. I've got my volume up on basically full tilt, and then I control the volume from here. So I'm going to go with 15 hertz. You'll notice this guy's going to start moving when I turn the volume up. Of course, my subsonic is all the way down. It's 15 hertz. 16. 17. 18. Yeah. Get this guy moving. 19. Woohoo! Alright. Boom, baby. It's crazy because the frame rate, right? So I'm sitting there looking at it on my camera, and because the frame looks totally different than it does in real life. Hopefully I don't bomb this guy out. Let's go to 20 hertz. Boom shakalaka. It's garbage getting down, bro. 21. Oh, I think that's just my trunk. Ah, dang. Turn the freaking app off. Sucks, dude. Woo! It's terrifying. Woohoo! 22 hertz. Oh, so basically all that noise and rattling was just my freaking car. Looking at my clipping indicator, we're good. This thing's really moving, dude. 23. Woohoo! Alright, 24. Alright, double alright. Boom, baby. 25. Woohoo! Always back it off one when it does that. 26. And let's go back down to 20. Yeah, nice and slow. You can drink some lemonade and watch 20 hertz. Play around a chess. Fold some clothes. 22 hertz. Dude, 22 hertz is brutal. 23 hertz. 23 is mean. And you can volume it down. I don't even know the name of this one. Let's see. Got all kinds of different stuff. You can actually make your own hertz song and record it in here. It's got in increments, it's got bass drops, it's got all this kind of stuff. Let's see if we can find yeah, car audio sub bass generator, I guess. Fill the sub. Not even warm. These things are beasts. It's like a Sundown X15. It's first cousin. They didn't go to college. The X15's got like a degree. That's why it's more expensive. But yeah, but that's dope, man. Yeah, if you have any questions or anything, if y'all know a good way to break them in, I guess holler at your boy. Peace. I can't end the video like that. I just sat in my car, turn off. I got to go inside to work. But I've never actually sat in my car and gone full tilt on like 22 hertz. So I'm gonna put it on infinity. It's got about seconds. I know, was it 23 or 24? It's pretty brutal. Turn this volume down. I'm terrified. Somebody see. 24. I know it's not clipping. Everything's cool. All kinds of sounds coming out of nowhere. Woohoo! Voltage drop, baby. That voltage is like, man, we're still friends, right? No voltage. Volume back up. We're not friends, voltage. But you did give me a lemonade last Tuesday. But then I drank it all and eat another lemonade. Oh! Okay. Just kidding, factory alternator. You ain't got to freak out. I got to go to work, players. Hope everybody got a good day. And I'm over here beating this garbage up. Ugh. So, can't end the video like that, right? Just got out of my car. I was thinking about something. This is the first time I've ever had a system where I've actually got the subsonic all the way on 0. For a lot of the boxes and stuff I've had, 10s, 12s, and I've probably had 20, 30 different setups. It's the first one on my amp where I'm like, nah, no subsonic is cool. Now, given this is also the lowest tuned as far as hertz goes and the box tuning setup I've ever had. I've never had something that crushed the lows like this. In fact, if I'm gonna be real with you guys, it takes some time to get used to those lows, man, because you hit like, you know, you get in the high teens and low 20s and stuff like that. That's not typical normal bass. You know what, most guys with 12s and ported boxes tune them, what, 33, 32, 35. I've seen 37, 38, depending on music preferences. Mine's tuned at 33, but it can get down into the 20s. And then when you get in the really low hertz, you can't even hear anything. You just think your transmission's blowing up. That shit's crazy, dude. Hope everybody has a good day. Peace.